He sold it at 850. It was Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ndunde. If you're new here, hello, karibu sana. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos. I don't take it for granted. So in this video, I will be doing lots of cleaning because I've had renovations for about a week. And so since I got home so late from town, as I have a business to take care of, I came home and I had also gone to Marikiti to do some grocery shopping. I came back home to boil this maize. We are lovers of maize. My husband is Luya. Well, so am I-ish. I'm Kikuyu but married to a Luya. But you know, Luyas love their maize. So anyway, I do this because it's fun to do. Anyways, so I had to boil this maize that I had gotten earlier on, as I do not let them sleep overnight. So whenever I buy, I have to make sure that I've boiled them. And so I'll be boiling them using a jiko. Yeah, and it was quick, as I had to just remove yo maganda ya juu kidogo and then remove the inner strings. You know what I mean, and then boil. But I'll be boiling them inside the house, as outside it was so dusty. But don't come for me. I had already opened the windows, and besides, they don't take that long to get ready. So they were ready here, and I had to remove them from the water so that they can drain. And I have that drainer or strainer that I got from Kamukunji, works wonders for me. And after this, I also had meat that I wanted to boil, because I also wanted to cook meat on that day, on this particular day, or this particular night. So yeah, let me do that with you all before coming to clean everywhere else. As you can see, it's so dusty because, as I said, the fundis were already in the house working on the tiles. That's what they were doing. And so there's so much cooking, or there was so much cooking that was going on earlier on. I had made food in the morning before I left to town to make sure that the fundis were sorted. Besides, my husband was also home. He also had food to eat. So next up was cleaning everywhere else. As I said, there were guys in the house. And yeah, let's do some cleaning. So after I had finished washing the utensils, I went ahead and cleaned everywhere else on the countertops and on my cooker, everything, and also washed the stand for the cooker. And now I'm just placing these ones on top of the cooker as it was clean, and I was really happy that I had done this. There's nothing as good as having a fresh, clean home every night. It was a perfect night for me. So I'm just waiting for these ones to dry up, and then those are the utensils that I just washed. I feel so nice right now. That's this sink, and then I'm waiting for those to dry as well, as I cannot place them there because they have water they need to drain. So let them drain there, and then I remove and then drain the big basin later on. My maize, that maize, I need to wrap and put in the fridge. And then these cucumbers, I just got them quickly. I'll show you everything that I got from Marikiti. It wasn't so much after I cleaned the floor because it's looking bad. But I'm happy about this. These utensils were giving me headache, honestly, and I couldn't go to bed or do anything else without doing something about it. So I've done something about it. Let me clean the floors. I forgot to mention that I have this other dish rack right here. This is a dish rack that I will assemble tomorrow, and I also need to wash this other one, but that is tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow because I am super tired. But let me clean the floor and then show you everything else. So after cleaning, I went ahead and cooked. I did that off camera because I was tired and I couldn't manage to record everything. As I said, I was super tired. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below if you have enjoyed this video, and also follow because I will be sharing my renovation videos very soon as I post this one. So the other ones will come on later on, and also you can go back and watch the video that I had just done so that you can see this was a continuation. So guys, for my groceries, what I got, it wasn't so much as I said. I went and got 2 pineapples. I love pineapples. I got each was 100 bob, and they are really huge. I got danias today. Danias were kind of high because these ones were going for 3.25, so I got for 50 bob. These oranges were going for 3.25, I got for 100 bob. I got 5 mangoes, each mango was 30 bob. And then I got some ho-hos, 2 kgs, each 50 bob wholesale, and they are really heavy. And then I got lemons, really huge lemons. 3 were going for 25, 320, yeah, 320, and they are so huge. When I tell you they are huge, they are really huge. As I have big hands, but I can't touch my fingers. That's for that. And then I did show you cucumbers, and I also showed you this was 1 kg for 60 bob. I also got maize. I've already boiled them, as you've seen. These maize were I got them for 128 maize for 120. And then I went to Kikrok. I got this rinsoon as it was the cheapest, 2300. Yeah, I've gone ahead and made some dry fry. I do have some rice in the fridge which I'm about to warm up. It's actually very late right now. It's I think 9 something. I've been busy, and these ones I'll not wash right now. I'll wake up tomorrow and wash them because I'm tired and hungry. I haven't eaten since I only ate an omelette and some black coffee. So yeah. And then, guys, I need help. Guys, how I feel? Hey, I feel tired. When I was coming back home at the gate, I found someone selling this. More of a tray, but it's wooden. I love wood. Ni vile tu sipatagi hizi vitu za wood. Otherwise, I would fill my house with wooden stuff. Anyway, the reason why I got this, it was going for... He sold it at $8.50. It was quite expensive, but again, for the quality, I didn't want to talk so much. So the reason why I got this, let me just show you. So guys, these ones cannot stand on them on their own when I put them here. So I've placed some papers here, but I will look for something to place here. This is just for demonstration purposes. So this is the reason why I bought this tray, to place it right here. Yes, place it right there, and it will make everything kind of organized. I don't know if you can see the vibes that I'm getting with this. It's giving minimalist, it's giving class. I don't know if it's just me. Anyway, I'll have bottles like this, but this shape, and then place them right there so that I can reach everything super fast. I love it. I love it. And it's quite huge. If you can see, this is the big vinegar, like the 1 liter vinegar, and this is 1 liter as well. This is, I don't know, 500 or so. So it's quite huge, as I still have spaces at the end. But for down there, I will need to look for something. The guy didn't have something that was flat, so it was just like bully-ish. So I pretty much love that setup. So that one will actually stay like that. I will not change it. It will make me reaching for Bergs, because we drink this in the morning. And then oil, this is where I put my oil, so I need to refill with the oil that I brought home. And then I have my olive oil, but I will have to change this that jar to put in another one. Oh, I love it. I love it. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you loved most about this video. Subscribe if you haven't, kindly. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Cheers guys, good night.